Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to continue previous chapter, that is the real numbers. In previous classes we solved some problems in exercise 1.4. Today also we will solve some problems in exercise 1.4. So that is the 10th one. If a and b are rational numbers, find the value of a and b in each of the following equations. So we are find out a and b. So that is in first problem, that is the square root 3 plus square root 2 divided by square root 3 minus square root 2 is equal to a plus b into square root 6. So here we are find out the a and b. How do we are find out the solution? What is the RF of denominator? That is a rationalizing factor of square root 3 minus square root 2 is a square root 3 plus square root 2. It is a multiple the numerator and the denominator. So here what is the LHS? That is the square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2. It is a multiple and divided by square root 3 plus square root 2. Now, so this is we know the a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. Now, so this is the square root 3 plus square root 2 into square root 3 plus square root 2, that is a square root 3 plus square root 2 whole square. And now, so here it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square by, so where a is a square root 3, that is a square root 3 whole square, minus b is a square root 2, that is a square root 2 whole square. So here square root is cancelled, so square root is cancelled, that is a 3 minus 2 remaining. 3 minus 2 is a 1. So square root 3 plus square root 2. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, so here that implies a square. A square, that is the square root 3. Square root 3 whole square plus b square, that is the square root 2 whole square plus 2a is a square root 3 into b is a square root 2 by 3 minus 2. That is implies square root is cancelled, remaining 3 plus, so here square root is cancelled, that is a 2 plus, so it is a 2 into square root 3 into square root 2, that is a square root a into square root b is equal to square root of a into b. So that is the square root of 3 into 2, that is a 6 by 3 minus 2 is a 1. So that is implies 3 plus 2 is a 5 plus 2 square root 6. Okay, right. So this is we are compared with a plus b square root 6, where now what is a? A is equal to 5. What is b? 2. In the place of b is a 2. Okay. Therefore, a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. Next problem. Now second one is the square root 5 plus square root 3 by 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 3 is equal to a minus b into square root 15. So first of all, so here what is the denominator? That is a 2 square root 5 minus 3 into square root 3. This is the denominator. Now what is the rationalizing factor of 2 square root 5 minus 3 square root 3 is a 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 3. It is the multiple the numerator and the denominator. this is the square root 5 plus square root 3 into 2 square root 5 plus, and also it is multiple to this one, that is the square root 3. So it is the multiple this one. So square root 5 into 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 3 plus square root 3 into 2 square root 5 plus 3 square root 3 by. So it is in the form of, it is we should take A, this is we should take B. So this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. That is we know that formula A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square, where A is a 2 square root 5, B is a 3 square root 3. So that is A square, that is a 2 square root 5 whole square minus B square, that is a 3 square root 3 whole square. Now that is equal to square root 5 into 2 into square root 5. So here square root 5 into square root 5 is a square root 5 whole square, that is a 2 into square root 5 whole square plus, so square root 5 into 3 square root 3, that is a 3 into square root of 5 into 3 plus square root 3 into 2 square root 5, that is a 2 into square root of 3 into 5. Because we know that formula square root A into square root B is equal to square root of A into B. Okay na? Plus square root 3 into 3 into square root 3, that is square root 3 into square root 3 is square root 3 whole square, that is a 3 into square root 3 whole square by. So this is in the form of AB whole to the power of M. So A into B whole to the power of M is equal to A to the power of M into B to the power of M, that is a 2 square into square root 5 whole square minus, it is also in the same way, that is 3 square into square root 3 whole square. Now so here square it is cancelled, that is a 2 5 is 10 plus 3 into 5 3 is 15, that is the square root of 15 plus 2 into square root of 3 5 is 15 plus, so here square it is cancelled, that is a 3 remaining, 3 3 is 9 by. So 2 square is a 4 into, so square root is cancelled, that is a 5 minus 3 square is a 9 into square root is cancelled, that is a 3, that is equal to, that is implies not equal to. So here 10 and 9, so these are rational numbers. 10 plus 9 is a 19, and this both are like such because they are having same radicand, that is a 3 plus 2, that is a 5, that is a 5 square root 15, 5 square root 15 divided by 4 5 is 20 minus 9 3 is 27. This is also we can be written as this slide, that is and also 19 plus 5 square root 15 divided by 20 minus 27. 20 having a positive sign, 27 having a negative sign. Both are having different sign. Then we will do the subtraction from bigger number to smaller number, that is a 7, but bigger number having the sign negative sign. So this is also we can be written as minus 19 by 7 minus 5 by 7 square root 15. So this is the, we divide the fraction, that is, so here LCM denominator is a minus 7 and also numerator is a 19 plus, so here minus 7 5 root 15, that is a plus by minus is a minus. Now this is we are compared with A minus b square root 15. So we are now we are compare with a minus b square root 15. If we compare with a minus b square root 15, we get where a is a minus 19 by 7 and b is a 5 by 7. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the class.